Hello, third grade, and happy Friday! Yay! You made it through your first week of third quarter, and today we're going to be reviewing our prepositions and prepositional phrases. So today will be our last day on prepositions, so we're just going to do a quick review of everything we've learned this week. So remember, a preposition is a word that explains a specific relationship. It's connecting words in a sentence. Prepositions normally tell the reader where, when, or how. So those are the questions we can ask to also find our object of the preposition. So when we look here, we have our sentence. The words are in the circle. So we know from this week, in is our preposition. So in where, the circle, now that would be our whole prepositional phrase. In the circle is our whole prepositional phrase. But what is the object of the preposition? Remember, object of the preposition is going to be a pronoun or a noun. And the is our article adjective. So circle, our noun, would be our object of the preposition. So let's do that one more time because it can get kind of tricky and confusing. So in is our preposition. Circle is our object of the preposition. But we see a word in the middle. So in the circle, that whole thing right there, those three words, that is called our prepositional phrases. Alright, so let's review our objects of prepositions. This is hopefully a little easier now that we've gone over it for a few days. So remember, the object of a preposition is the noun or pronoun that is explained by the preposition. So, the boy sat beneath the magnificent tent. So here, if I'm looking at the sentence, the first thing I'm going to do is find my preposition. Beneath. Beneath, I could say what? Beneath tent, right? So that is going to be my object of my preposition because that is a noun or pronoun explained by the preposition. But we see everything from the preposition to the object of the preposition. Everything in between is going to be the prepositional phrase. So beneath the magnificent tent, all four words, that's our prepositional phrase. But beneath is my preposition and tent is my object of the preposition. So now, a prepositional phrase is a group of words that include a preposition and an object of the pronoun. So the object of the preposition, So that means that all the words between our preposition and our object of the preposition, that is going to be our prepositional phrase. So now let's go over some things that we need to know about prepositional phrases. It's important to remember that a prepositional phrase starts with the preposition and ends with the object of the preposition. So here we have the boy sat beneath the tent, happily enjoying his food. So beneath, remember, is going to be our preposition, and then beneath what? Tent, that's our object of the preposition, but everything in between is our prepositional phrase. So we start with the preposition beneath, and then we end with the noun, our object of the preposition, tent. And so beneath the tent is our whole prepositional phrase. But then again, we're going to do the same sentence from before when we have the boy sat beneath the magnificent tent, happily enjoying his food. Our prepositional phrase starts with the preposition beneath and ends with our object of the preposition, tent. So beneath the magnificent tent, all of that is going to be our prepositional phrase. So that ends our review today. So when we're going over our homework, they're going to ask you to either find the whole prepositional phrase, or they're going to ask you to find the preposition or the object of the preposition. So remember, if you have your notes from Monday, make sure you keep that with you because those are going to be the prepositions. And then remember to keep practicing them every day and get familiar with them. And remember, our object of the preposition is one word. It's going to be a noun or a pronoun. But The prepositional phrase is everything in between the preposition and the object of the preposition. It's all the words in between them. All right, so have some fun. Take your time reading the sentences. If it helps, I would look for the preposition first and then find the object of the preposition. Remember, asking a question, what, when, or how. And hopefully you all do great on your homework today and have a great Friday. Thank you. Bye.